And some counties around the metro say they are seeing an increase in gang activity, and it's in the most unlikely of places. News 9's Jolene Cheney has the details.
Well, Christy, in rural parts of Canadian County is where law enforcement there say they've noticed a trend, but it's not just localized to this one county. This particular gang started in Tulsa.
And we have a number of them in our county jail.
Some of the most recent are these two, John Rather and Robert Bugos. Deputies were called to a convenience store just outside Calumet when the vehicle these two men were driving around in broke down. But deputies would soon find out they were much more than stranded motorists when one of them pulled a gun on the deputy. He soon found out Rather was wanted for murder. Both men were booked into jail for drugs and using a firearm while committing a felony. There are also some other connections.
One of the gangs that we've identified that's been involved in some of that in our county is what's called the IMG, or the Irish Mob Gang.
Investigators say the group originated in Tulsa, which is the area where both of these